Hello friends, thanks for your continuous support to our channel and welcome to yet another episode of Utkala Gariba. For the people of Bhubaneswar, Mausima Chakka or Mausima Overbridge is a known place. There is a temple here which is popularly called Mausima Mandir and accordingly the name of the square and the overbridge. There are altogether 6 temples here. They are in chronological order Lakshmaneshwar, Bharateshwar, Shatrughneshwar, Rameshwar, Labeshwar and Kuseshwar temple. The Lakshmaneshwar, Bharateshwar and Shatrughneshwar are in one complex. They are generally regarded as the earliest temple of the temple city. They are assignable to the 6th century. All the 3 temples were found in ruins. The state archaeology has rebuilt them. Lakshmaneshwar is restored without its crowning member. Bharateshwar's base has been restored with plain blocks of stone. This Nandi bull in front of Shatrughneshwar temple seems to be as old as the temple, if not older. The front wall of the temple is highly ornamented. The lintel above the doorway has Shiva and Parvati in the center. Above that is a carving known as Ravananugraha. Here, Ravana is trying to uproot Kailash mountain, the abode of Shiva. Parvati can be seen in fear trying to hold Shiva. Kartikeya and Ganesh are present on either side. Ravana is carved with 5 heads and 10 arms. Above that, in a medallion, is a 12-armed image of the cosmic dancer Shiva. Also in the front side, at the left side of the entrance, is this image of Harihara. The north wall of the temple has this 10-armed Nataraj. The marriage of Shiva and Parvati is depicted in this panel. On the east side is this image of Kartikeya. The south wall of this extremely rare image of a 6-armed dancing Ardhanarishwar. Ardhanarishwar is half Shiva and half Parvati. Bull and lion are at the bottom of the image and in their respective sides. On the other side of the road, in a much bigger complex, is this tall Rameshwar temple. This temple is assignable to 11th century. Scholars believe that this temple has been built over the ruins of an older temple, probably of the same name. Ganesh, Kartikeya and Parvati are there in their respective niches as side deities. This hall, said to be the audience hall or Jagamohana, is not attached to the temple, a deviation from standard Kalinga architecture. This detached hall is a later structure. It is considered to be the maternal aunt's place of Lord Lingaraj. Every year, on the day of Ashokashtami, the Lord comes in a chariot and stays here in this hall for 4 days. These two temples on either side of the road are Laveshwar and Kuseshwar, built in the 15th century. Thanks for watching the video till the end. For interesting video like this, please like, share and subscribe our channel Utkala Gari.